Today we're going to show you how to assemble a rod style light trap. We are going to be using an NAK 36B 36RU as the part number to show you. That is a 36 by 36 inch light style with a 1 inch spacing. The first step is you're going to receive these 1/4 inch threaded rods, and for a 36 by 36, because these rods are 72 inches long, we're going to start by cutting them in half. So measure to 36 inches and mark them. Measure the next one and mark. And then I'm going to use safety glasses and I'm going to cut these in half using a grinder. Once we have them cut, the next step is to put a nut and a washer on one end. You may have to use a grinder to grind the ends a little bit to get your nut started. So you put a washer on one side and then you thread your nut on. And you repeat this process 4 times. And I've already put the nuts on these, so I'm going to slide the washer from the other end. And the next step is to start installing your light traps. So for this, there's 4 holes in your light trap panel for any light trap panel that's 36 inches and shorter. For light traps that are larger than 36 all the way up to 72 inches long would have 6 sets of holes, and an 84 inch long light trap would have 8 holes. So for this one, you just put your rod through. So once you have your first panel done, you're going to take these spacers, and in this case they're a 1 inch spacer because we chose a light trap with a B in the part number, and you put one of these on each. And then you just repeat the process, and you grab your next light trap panel. The final step is to put a washer and a nut on the top side. So you put the washers on first, then you follow them up with the nuts. And to get them tightened, you'll want to set this on its side like it would be installed, and with one person holding the nut on one end, the other person on the other. And if you want, you can cut off any excess thread on this end. And that's it.